Welcome to Janny Kids Ride.
Let's sing and learn today.
Come along and sing with me, a jungle tale as sweet can be. A baby parrot fresh and new, hatched today, so soft and blue. Something special is happening in the jungle today. Let's go see. They're in a nest up high, near the morning light. An egg was rocking left and right. Crack went the shell, what a surprise! Two tiny wings and sparkling eyes. Wow, the baby parrot is here. Hello, little one. Hello, baby parrot. He chirped a song, both shy and sweet, with wobbly legs and tiny feet. Mama parrot flapped with cheer. Welcome, baby, you're finally here. He's so cute. What should we name him, friends? The baby listened to the jungle beat, the monkeys hoot, the tigers feet. Squawk. He tried cheep again, laughing as he made a friend. Every animal has a sound. Can you make a parrot sound too? Mama fed him fruit so sweet, bananas, berries, a tasty treat. He flapped his wings and danced around, tummy full and safe and sound. Jungle fruit is the best snack ever. He flapped and flapped with all his might, lifted off, what a flight. He didn't go far, but that's okay. He'll try again another day. Look, he flew a little. Great job, little buddy. The animals cheered with joy so wide for baby parrot's first jungle glide. Janny clapped, the birds all sang, through the jungle music rang. Every baby step is a big victory. Hooray for baby parrot. Back in the nest as night drew near, the stars came out and skies grew clear. The baby yawned and closed his eyes under the moon and jungle sky. Good night, baby parrot, dream of flying high.